Hi, I'm Lolly, also known as Happy Mummy Shopper. Welcome to my family travel and days out vlog channel. My video today is all about the Premier Inn Dorchester Town Centre, which has had its rooms updated to the new Premier Inn style. I'll be showing you around one of these refurbished rooms in just a moment. But before we get started, I'd really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. It makes such a big difference and helps me reach more people. We stay in a lot of Premier Inns, so it was really interesting to see what they had done with the new style room. So here's the room. This is the new style Premier Inn. Let's put the card in. You've got your hooks there. You've got your hairdryer. And then we've got this unit up here. Coffee, your glasses, and then you've got your bin. And they've done away with the big desk. So you've got a little table with one chair. Considering there's 4 of us, that's not great. And then you've got the bed, the other bed. Not a particularly great view out there. And then we've got the main bed, we've got little tables, you've got plugs. And then you've also got a big massive telly, again with plugs, USB. We've got in here, got your remote, and then you've got another little table here with the plugs. And then you've got your air conditioning. And let's just check the bathroom. So it's got all grey tiling there, and then you've just got the usual setup with the sink and the toilet roll, and I think that's about it. Oh, and then you've also got your mirror there and your air conditioning, and then it's also got a new grey carpet in here. And there you go. This Premier Inn is in a really great spot right in the heart of Dorchester. It's within walking distance of loads of restaurants and shops, and also an Odeon cinema. We had dinner at Wagamama, but there's also a Vivo Lounge, Nando's and Zizzi's. My quick tip is, if you are going to be eating at Wagamama's, as you might know, you can't make a reservation. So make sure that to leave your name on the wait list actually at the restaurant if it's busy. We had to come back later to get a table. For parking, we decided to use the train station car park. I was able to use an app to pay. I'd read online that the Premier Inn car park could be tricky to find and doesn't have many spaces. The station car park was super convenient, and the walk to the hotel was really short, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the new style room and found my parking tips helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know what you think of the new style in the comments. Thanks for watching.